Are you looking for an e-commerce platform to build an online store or business? If so, GoDaddy and Shopify are sure to come up in your search. Both are popular website builders, but one option might be more suitable for you than the other. In this video, I'll compare GoDaddy versus Shopify based on their features, cost, reputation, and more, so you can choose the right solution for your needs and budget. Shopify is a website builder focused on e-commerce. Known for its ease of use, customization, and robust features for scalable businesses, it might be the most popular e-commerce platform on the market today. GoDaddy launched its first website building and hosting software in the late 1990s. It is one of the most recognizable names in the website building space. While the company is not 100% dedicated to e-commerce sites as Shopify is, users can add an online store to their website on certain plans. GoDaddy is the least expensive option of the two website builders. However, if having an online store is the main goal of the website, Shopify might be the better option, as only GoDaddy's top two most expensive plans include an online store. Its e-commerce plan at $16.99 a month allows users to create an online store that can sell unlimited products. In comparison, all of Shopify's plans allow users to sell an unlimited number of products in their online store. While Shopify is significantly more expensive than GoDaddy, the platform dedicated to e-commerce offers a number of additional features to help users customize their store, grow their business, and retain customers. Every Shopify plan includes marketing automation that allows users to build custom automations to engage customers at every step of their journey, the ability to filter and group customers into hundreds of segments, and define geographic market areas to ensure a localized buying experience for customers in different regions. Shopify easily wins in the e-commerce functionality standoff. It is the gold standard as far as website builders for e-commerce use. The platform was specifically designed to create e-commerce websites, while GoDaddy started as a domain name and hosting service. Only after its enormous success with that did it begin creating a website design platform. Therefore, Shopify offers more e-commerce and functionality than GoDaddy. That said, both platforms provide a robust list of e-commerce features to allow users to create an online store. They both include a point-of-sale solution and provide payment gateways to process credit cards or direct payments. Shopify's online credit card rates start at 2.4% plus 30 cents USD and go up to 2.9% plus 30 cents USD depending on the plan. GoDaddy offers 2.3% plus 30 cents on all its plans, making it the cheaper option. Shopify does offer more payment processors than GoDaddy by partnering with 100 third-party payment gateways. GoDaddy has about half the number of payment processors. They also both provide other basic e-commerce features, such as the ability to take coupons, create discounts, re-engage customers with abandoned cart recovery, discounted shipping, and provide real-time shipping rates. Shopify makes it easy to streamline product fulfillment from one centralized order management location. Its inventory management feature helps business owners manage, monitor, and move inventory across multiple locations. Some Shopify plans include ABC analytics that help store owners make informed decisions about which products to stock, reorder, and eliminate, with a grading system that ranks products and variants based on sales performance, as well as a bulk inventory editor that helps edit, customize, and manage multiple products across fulfillment locations. GoDaddy also has an inventory tracker for both its e-commerce plans that automatically updates your inventory as soon as an order is placed. Along with Shopify, users can also connect the website's product catalog to Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Facebook, and Instagram. Orders and inventory from these websites will automatically sync with the online store's inventory numbers. With the ability to pull inventory from multiple fulfillment locations, advanced analytics and fulfillment capabilities that allow users to easily receive inventory from suppliers and move it between warehouses and sales locations, Shopify has more advanced inventory management features than GoDaddy. Website design customization is easy on both platforms, GoDaddy and Shopify offer users free and premium storefront design templates that are easily customizable with a drag-and-drop editor. Specific details such as color, font, and layout can also be customized to align with your business's branding. Both platforms also help users customize discount codes as a way of acquiring new customers or retaining and rewarding existing customers. Users can create discount codes to be manually entered at checkout. These codes can apply to specific products, collections, customers, or universally depending on the shop owner's preference. One of the biggest ways Shopify helps its users customize their online store is by integrating third-party apps. The Shopify App Store contains more than 8,000 apps to help users not only customize every aspect of their site, but also with dropshipping, marketing, product fulfillment, store design, customer conversion, and more. GoDaddy, on the other hand, does not have an app store. This gives GoDaddy users fewer options for integrations that could help further customize their websites. Both Shopify and GoDaddy have a wide variety of features that allow users to create an online store from scratch. Both platforms feature an array of dynamic, mobile-responsive themes to build a website. Shopify offers more than 100 storefront customizable themes ranging in price from free to premium templates that cost $350. GoDaddy, on the other hand, has around 20 customizable storefront themes. While that is considerably less than Shopify, the themes cover most main industries including real estate, professional services, automotive, education, fitness, fashion, beauty, and more. Both platforms allow users to easily customize their online store using a drag-and-drop editor. This intuitive feature allows users to create their own website without any coding experience. While both platforms make it easy to customize pre-existing templates, GoDaddy has an AI-powered feature that will build a website for you. After answering a few questions about your business, GoDaddy's artificial design intelligence will generate an initial site design that you can then further customize. GoDaddy is the better option for business owners who want to get their website up and running quickly. Online business owners looking for the easiest way to get online can use GoDaddy's artificial design intelligence feature to quickly create a website. All they need to do is answer a few questions and GoDaddy's artificial intelligence will create a website that is up and running in a matter of minutes. Users always have the option of editing the AI-designed website to further customize it to their needs. Shopify does offer an intuitive drag-and-drop feature, however, it does not match GoDaddy's overall ease of use. While not as easy to build, Shopify's online stores are more customizable and have the capacity to scale at a better rate. Determining which e-commerce platform is better comes down to personal preference. Both platforms allow users to create professional-looking online stores without any coding experience. They both offer a complete suite of features that will help users create, grow, and manage a profitable online business. Ultimately, Shopify has more functionality, but not all online businesses require an extended list of features to operate successfully. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.